Hi everyone! Today we're going to be working on the next part of the science experiment. So I hope you guys already watched Celery Science Experiment Part 1 because this is the second part. So you should have already watched the other video and you should have wrote your name on top of this Celery Science Experiment sheet, and you were supposed to make a picture, draw a picture in the before box of what you saw, because as you can see, I'm not sure if you can tell already, things changed over the last few days. So the prediction that you wrote on the bottom, we're going to see if you were correct. Let's take a close look at what happens to the different color celeries. Take a look. What do you guys notice? I'm noticing the amount of water in each cup. I'm also noticing some celery have the food coloring on the tips, and some don't have it so much. So it looks like to me that the red and the yellow didn't absorb as much of the water as the blue and the green. It seems to me that the blue and the green absorbed more than the red and the yellow, because the blue and the green, the water is lower than the red and the yellow. Well, actually, the yellow did absorb, but not as much as the blue and the green. So if you predicted that, if your prediction on the bottom and you thought that the water was going to be lower once the plant attains that, then you are correct, because as the plant turned color, the water got lower. If you predicted that the tips of the celery stalk were going to have the color that we poured into the water, then you are correct for the most part, because the blue and the green did turn. The red has a little bit, not so much, and the yellow, it's a little hard to tell since it's similar in color, but I do see some yellow on the tips. So I hope you guys enjoy this experiment, and you guys can try this at home. All you need is water, celery, and food coloring, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.